Hey, this is your boy Khumiso Mmusi, 19 years of age. I'm here to deliver what you guys are looking for, that's singing. My inspirations are Chris Brown, Jason Derulo, and I want to be the next Gemstone because I truly believe that I've got it. And in the music industry, I'm interested in R&B and hip-hop, and please vote for me. Yeah, thank you. The song I'll be doing is from Craig David. It's called Unbelievable. I was set up with nowhere to find love. Always thought I'd be ready and strong enough. But sometimes I just felt would give up. But you came and you changed my whole world now. I'm somewhere I've never been before. And now I see what I missed. It's so unbelievable. And I don't wanna let it go. It's something so beautiful. It's flowing down like a waterfall. I feel like you've always been forever a part of me. And it's so unbelievable to finally be in love. I'm somewhere I never thought I'll be. Oh, it's in my arms and my head, it's so clear now. On my hands, you've got nothing to fear now. I was lost and you rescued me somehow. I'm in love, you complete me. And I've never been here before. Now I see what love means. It's so unbelievable. And I don't wanna let it go. It's something so beautiful. It's flowing down like a waterfall. I feel like you've always been forever a part of me. And so unbelievable to finally be in love. I'm somewhere I never thought I'll be. When I think of what I have and this chance I nearly lost, I can't help but break down and cry. Oh yeah, break down and cry. Oh yeah, and it's so unbelievable, and I don't wanna let it go. It's something so beautiful. It's flowing down like a waterfall. I feel like you've always been forever a part of me. And it's so unbelievable to finally be in love. Somewhere I never thought I'll be. Thank you.